Today, we have OilQuick on a dozen machines. We don't regret it a single day. It was the best thing we could have ever invested in. Now, we always have the right attachment in every single occasion. Before, sometimes we would brake with a crusher in a way you aren't supposed to, which caused wear on the equipment. One thing is, it's more fun for the guys working, a more modern operation. It's also easier to find good machine drivers. It's not that fun to connect hydraulic hoses by hand every day. Let's say, for instance, that you're about to unload all the concrete produced during a demolition. Every 20 minutes, a truck arrives to pick up material. Then, you don't have time to remove the hydraulic attachment and attach the bucket by hand. With OilQuick, you can keep working in full production until you see the truck coming. Release the hydraulic attachment, put on the bucket, and start loading concrete. We change attachments about 20 to 30 times a day. If we would have to mount the hydraulic attachment by hand, it could take 20 minutes, and if there is a problem, half an hour. For a big excavator that costs €200 an hour, it can cost €100 to make one single change. That's a lot of money in a year.